Welcome to Zambocom. This is Zambocom. Welcome. This is Zambocom. Welcome to Zambocom. Is possible at Zambocom. The unattainable is unknown at Zambocom.
You've played by all the same rules. It takes the truth to fool me, and now you've made me angry. I can't decide whether you should live or die. Oh, you'll probably go to heaven. Please don't hang your head and cry. No wonder why my heart feels dead inside. It's cold and hard and petrified. Lock the doors and close the blinds. We're going for a ride. Oh, I could throw you in the lake or feed you poison birthday cake. I won't deny I'm gonna miss you when you're gone. Oh, I could bury you alive, but you might crawl out with a knife and kill me when I'm sleeping, that's why.
Eventually, I'll need to use my special attack on you. You will lie, but then I'll win. There's nothing that I, the great Papyrus, can't do to impress on love the underground monsters. I am astounding, though my brother's sense will not change very much. I will be so popular. It will not be hard to defeat you, though I must say you are putting up quite a fight. This battle's drawing slowly to a close. It seems I will need my special attack much sooner now. I hope you're ready, or you'll be run away. I'm protecting you. This is true. I want you to leave. All they really need is your son to run away. What's best for you, my child? I can't look, I must adore my gaze. I'm trapped in my protective haze. I can't bring myself to hurt you. An unmerciful young child. I can't see how or why it was that you were very strong. I must fight for my people's hope. I must strive to play the last song. You seem set on speaking with me, but it stays like this. Please fight back, I don't want to win. No mercy, not even in the end. Swing your knife, I'm sorry for this, I won't let you. Don't know why you'd ever talk to me. I'm really no fun, you see. My name's Napster Blue, though you knew that. My personality's kind of flat. Sorry if you think my fight's a chore. Unlike most, I am quite a bore. Why encounter me? I'll just cry for a minute. Oh, it's alright. It's okay if you want to leave, that's alright. I really went up to it right now. I choose your flow, wow, I am so down. Sorry for wasting time. Maybe we can hang out sometime, only if you want to. If you don't, then that is alright. I'll stop wasting your time. You don't know saw what you were up against. I'm so mad I can't control myself. I will get revenge for my cousin. One thing will leave, and that's your soul. There is nothing special about you. You're just a human, it's not a big deal. I have a large army of dummies, and what do you have? Nothing but your soul. Soon I'll be taking that from you too, so I can't evade my cousin's boredom. Wait, hold on, what was their name again? Oh well, it doesn't matter now. You won't go anywhere. I don't know what you think about it. I'm gonna let you go. You're just way too pathetic. But there is no chance of beating us. So give up. Wait, hold on, you're kidding me.